Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this tutorial, I will show how to install or enable the Windows 11 25H2 latest update, named K2. K2 is Microsoft's latest update that helps enhance the performance of Windows 11 systems. This update helps to reduce the performance lag and other system-related issues. Also helps to improve the gaming performance in Windows' latest Xbox game mode. To install it, first you need to check it in the official Windows Update channel. If the K2 update is available, then install it and restart the system. Before checking the update, enable the toggle switch and get the latest update as soon as it is available. If there are no updates available, then ensure you are on the latest build. Enroll into Windows Insider Program to get the latest build. Open the Windows Insider Program and join. A detailed video tutorial on how to register and enroll in the Insider Program has already been uploaded. Links are given in the description box. Please check there. While registering into Insider Program, please select the beta channel to get the latest build updates. The last step is to enable the hidden K2 performance features. Download the Vive tool from the GitHub page and extract it into a new folder. Here I created a folder named Hidden Features and extract the Vive tool files to that folder. After that, open the command prompt with admin privileges and type the following commands shown in this video right now. Enable the hidden K2 features using the ID codes. ID codes are given in the description box. After executing the command, exit the command prompt and restart the system. Then again, open the Windows Update channel and check for updates. Hope it's solved. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.